Good morning, students. Welcome to another class on the module DPR3704. We are currently inundated with marking for your assignment 1, which you should be receiving your feedback anytime. Again, I want to encourage you to submit in time for assignment 2. Remember, we had almost 2 extensions for assignment 1, and we cannot afford to have more extensions, taking into account that we also have an examination portfolio that must be graded, and the marks must be released latest by the end of November 2023. So it's important that you submit your assignment 2 in time. I do not see any reasons for us to give another extension on assignment 2. Yes, for assignment 1, we gave extensions. We even gave some instructions regarding wrong submissions, how you should deal with that. But I would like to emphasize it again. If the link that you submitted to assignment 1 is not correct, there is no need for you to send emails to your lecturers. I did provide a solution. It's in the announcements. It's in the teaching videos that have been put up in the last weeks. So really, the onus is on you to read your material. It's really disappointing when you receive an email from a student who is not reading assignment announcements and who's also not watching the teaching videos. So it's important that you ensure all the time that you are kept abreast of the new developments within this particular module. So if the blog link that you submitted is wrong, please put the correct one in the comment box next to your assignment. Moodle does allow for that. Again, I'm repeating it. If the blog link that you submitted for your assignment 1 is not correct, just put the correct one in the blog link, in the comment box, sorry, next to your assignment. We will actually access that one. We will check whether there's a comment, and then if there's a comment, we'll actually go up and open it, the link on that particular comment, so that we grade your assignment according to the latest developments on your side. So again, I'm asking, this is a plea, do not send emails asking about remedies around submitting the wrong blog link. This is it. I just gave it now again. So please keep that in mind. The purpose of this class is to deal with how you submit assignment 2 and issues around assignment 2. With assignment 1, this grading that is actually taking place, you will receive your mark. There will be further communication regarding issues around assignment 1. Thank you very much. Can we kindly move to the second assignment and deal with issues around the second assignment, since students have been asking around the format, how do we submit assignment 2, in what format? So you can submit a written assignment for this. So meaning that number 1 can be in a PDF, a normal assignment that you write up. Remember, number 1, we are asking you about the various challenges you encountered with regard to acquiring an online presence for your NGO via a blog site. This is an NPO, non-profit organization, a non-governmental organization, that's fine. And then you need to make sure we don't quantify how big or how vast your challenges are. But as long as they are there, we just give a 10 marks. We are not quantifying. We are not saying write 3 pages, 9 pages. Everyone, the experience will differ from individual to individual, depending on the various obstacles or challenges one was confronted with. So going over to number 2. So the first, number 1, is out of 10 marks. Keep that in mind. There is a substantial amount, 10 marks, and then we move over to the second task of assignment 2. You need to upload a video of one event that your organization has hosted on your YouTube channel, one of the events from assignment 01. So take into account that you have to upload one video on the YouTube channel, which means for this particular assignment, you can just provide a link, the YouTube link on number 2. It's fine. You don't have to give us the blog link so that we go through the YouTube handle to get to your video. You can still just put the link, the direct link to YouTube on this particular assignment. There are many options you can use. You can even opt to have the entire assignment on the blog without having it written, in terms of just offer the blog link only, and then we find everything on the blog. That's still all right. So for this particular assignment, we are not strict with regard to how you submit, but the links must work so that we can be able to access the content itself. We are moving over to number 3. In number 3, you need to, in a one page Word document, you need to put it down in written form, describe the general experience of stakeholders with regard to the above mentioned event. The event that you just posted, number 2, you need to provide details around the general experience of the stakeholders of the NPO around the particular event. Post this feedback on your organization's Facebook page and provide a link. So you'll post this feedback. It's a one-page feedback on the general experience of stakeholders on your Facebook page. So for number 3, you can just write, there's no need for you to put that one page here, but you can put that one page on Facebook, and then for number 3, just give only the Facebook link to that particular stakeholder, the general experience of stakeholders. Keep that in mind. You can just give us the link to Facebook. We're moving over to the last question. This is also for 5. This is for 5 marks, which now at this stage is 25 marks, because number 1 is 10 marks, number 2 is 10 marks, number 3 is 5 marks, number 4 is 5 marks also. So for number 4, on your NGO's Facebook page, provide a link to the page where you demonstrate how you answered a question or commented when a potential stakeholder engaged your organization. Also provide the number of Facebook likes your organization has generated since you created the platform. So this is it's straightforward. You just need to provide a link whereby we see you responding to a question or actually commenting on something that a stakeholder is engaging you on in terms of your Facebook page. So and then roughly you can also here at number 4 put only the link to the particular Facebook encounter, and then just write the number of likes that you have. You don't have to shy away from writing them yourself. You can write them. If it's still 0 likes, it's fine. You're not going to be penalized for that, as long as you mention the likes. That is the most important part. I think we are done with regard to issues around assignment 2. There will be a follow-up class again around assignment 2 next week, as we encounter more problems going forward or more issues that need to be resolved, so that we have better clarity before we all submit. It's quite straightforward. It's out of 30 marks also. Make sure that you provide all the details that are required. If everything is there, it will be a straightforward 100%. We are not quantifying, we're not looking at the length of what you are writing, but we are looking at the quality of whether you are able to post that information that you are looking for. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.